I recently purchased these silicone mini muffin pans. Now, I'm old school and I was a little apprehensive about silicone, but I use them on other products, so I'm going to give these a whirl. Now, they're called mini muffin pans. I call them tart pans, but if you're going to search for them, you need to call them mini muffin pans. So they come in this silicone, or this plastic bag. And, oh, there is 2 in here. And I'm going to make some little cupcakes, mini cupcakes. So I'll let you know how that goes. So I'm taking this out of the oven. Now this silicone does get hot in the oven. These have been sitting here for a little while cooling. And I just use a knife, just a, round thing, and just pop them right out. Now, you can use these for egg bites or anything else. The only drawback I see is when you take them out of the oven, you can't put them on something like this. You have to put them on something like this because they're so flexible. But other than that, I think they're great. I think they could do a lot of time saving. These have been cooked. These have been added twice. Maybe you need to wash them in between, applications. But they just come right out. So that's it.